campers!
Welcome back to another video of the Shop Chronicles!
As always, please like, please subscribe, and if you'd be so kind, feel free to share the video.
Welcome back to another episode of the Shop Chronicles.
So we're only a week away from Halloween, so it's been pretty inundated, so please do book soon. But the pumpkin carving next Saturday. Check out the little clip of me and my family having a go at it.
I know pumpkins!
Smith, what?
I know pumpkins!
Smith, what?
I know pumpkins!
Smith, what?
Kittens!
I caveat that with the kids played up so much that their mum took them home. And I had to finish carving the pumpkins myself.
What are you doing?
Morning team, you join me bright and breezy and early on a Saturday morning. Our commitment to you, the people of Solihull, for your bread. Turns out bread is a way of life, people, as we are learning. Ahead of what will hopefully be a busy morning. But I thought you may want to watch one of the most satisfying things about owning a shop. The fridge Mexican wave. Oh. 18. You can join me on the old run. We are updating the heating in the shop as it's getting a bit cold. So yeah, we're also doing a really great charity cause thing that we're going to show you in a bit. But essentially, the basic premise is you can buy someone that's struggling a coffee, a sandwich. And we're going to run a little ticket system where if, when you're buying something, you can chuck in an extra drink or an extra whatever, and then you can sign a little post-it note to say with love from whoever, and then hopefully the idea through social media, if you guys can help us share it, will then allow others to come in that are struggling, maybe lost their job or less fortunate. They can come in and take a ticket. And they can have a drink, a hot sandwich, whatever it might be, paid for by a lovely stranger. Right team, support the initiative. Stig's jazz hands in there.
So, the advice remains the same.
So, we've got the board. Essentially, the plan is that when you're purchasing one of our many fine produce, that you buy an extra coffee, a sandwich, a crock, a pizza, whatever it might be, and then we pop it on the board. And for the people that are struggling currently, whether they've lost their job, maybe even someone that's homeless, the whole idea of the premise is that bit by bit, as you can see, within the first hour of doing it, we've already had quite a few people donate, and hopefully as it shares, we've got it started as well ourselves, but hopefully as more and more people share, people can come in, and if times are tough for them, they can redeem one of the post-it notes based on whichever suits them. Obviously a lot going on in the world at the moment with free school meals during half term, but ultimately it's just our little way, and us being kind of part of the community, as you've all supported us so much, we thought it's a little way for us all to give back. So, and then the idea being that once we've gathered a load of post-it notes, should they not be redeemed, obviously we hope that isn't the case, but what me and Stig will do is by Christmas time we'll take the cumulative value and we'll deliver it to a food bank for the needy or a soup kitchen, depending on what feels like the most appropriate at the time. If you could help us share the social posts we put out, share the video, and hopefully we can reach some people that are needing at this moment in time. So thanks as always team, appreciate the love.
You buy chocolate chunk brownies.
Yeah.
Then we've got flapjacks and our cherry slices.
Yeah.
Oreo blondies. Then we've got Rocky Road, so biscuit, marshmallow, chocolate, maple pecan, Ferrero Rocher, gold pie and Biscoff cookies, and Nutella cookie pie.
Then explaining to a customer the brownies and the donut options. I mean, I think it was about 32 seconds when I stopped. Probably says we've got too many options, doesn't it? We're becoming quite the extraordinaires at the pastry collection. Oh, and as we gear up for Christmas, team, we're actually going to start doing Christmas pre-orders. It's been asked for by quite a few people, so in the next couple of weeks we'll probably send something out. So team, that's us signing off for the week. As always, stay safe, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!